So guys, today we're going to look at what I made. So what I made is a Play-Doh roller coaster slide. It took me around 3 days to make it. I had to fix it again, and at the third day I finally did it. Look at it. It goes curved into the bucket. Look. No, sorry, because it just does that sometimes. Hear me? It's just, if y'all want to do this join makerspace, and the hard part it was bad, and I'm talking about I was raging. Hear me? I was like so mad because it couldn't even get one try in it.
But did you persevere?
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Jashawn.
And what was the fun part about it?
The fun part is loud. It's like I visualize I'm in the roller coaster and going to the end fast.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. And join Makerspace and tell your school or parents so they can think about it and join you in. Bye guys. Hope you have an amazing day and stay safe. Bye.